Hi everyone. Today, we're going to learn the present perfect tense in a simple and fun way. Let's go.
We use the present perfect tense to talk about past actions that are still important now, or experiences in life. It connects the past with the present. Formula. Subject plus have, has plus past participle, v3, e.g., have eaten, has gone. Positive sentences. Examples. I have eaten breakfast. She has finished her homework. They have traveled to Japan. Negative sentences. Examples. I haven't eaten breakfast. She hasn't finished her homework. They haven't traveled to Japan. Questions. Interrogative. Examples. Have you eaten breakfast? Has she finished her homework? Have they traveled to Japan? Helpful time words. Use these words often: already, just, ever, never, yet, for, since. Example. Have you ever been to Paris? I have just finished my work. That's the present perfect tense. Easy, right? Practice these examples every day. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons.